My name is Webb Camille. I'm a second year of the MD PhD program and currently in the program of molecular medicine. I'm originally from Haiti, but I went to high school in Everett, Mass. My research project was really looking into Alzheimer's disease. We used Alzheimer's mouse models where we looked at these immune-mediated gene cluster families that are able to modulate certain proteins. And so I was analyzing the proteins that they were modulating and assessing what the expression levels are for certain variants. I would say the strengths are both the leadership and the student body. The leadership does a really good job at making sure that the students have all the resources and the benefits that would traject our career. And the student body in general is very active within the program where the leadership encourages student participation and the students really delve into it and change and augment the program based on our experience. I chose UMass because at the intercept of science and medicine, there is no better choice. Here at UMass, as Worcester is one of the largest refugee settlements, we have a very diverse patient population, which allows us to be able to interact with patients from various backgrounds. It really helps with cultural humility and cultural competency to be able to really interact with a large subset of people. And the science is really groundbreaking here. We have world-renowned experts in their field and they practice right here in Worcester. And there's a plethora of programs that you can get into and they're always willing to assist and help students find the direction that they seek.
My name is Paul Greer and I'm in the program in molecular medicine. I think what I'm most excited about with our current research is we're taking a really different approach to tackling Alzheimer's disease. So we're thinking about different molecules and different pathways than people have been historically thinking about it. And I think we're making really exciting discoveries in understanding how Alzheimer's disease occurs. And I think I'm cautiously optimistic that we're on the path towards developing new approaches for treating this disorder. I think that mentorship is one of the aspects of science that I believe most strongly in. I think that whatever contributions you make scientifically, they often end. Your career is finite and whatever you do, you're one person. But getting to work as part of a team and mentor students who then will go on to their own careers means that you can have sort of a really long-lasting impact on the scientific community. And so I think that for me, mentorship is really the most important aspect of what I do. I'm really lucky that I have wonderful students and postdocs who work in our lab, and it's the most fun part of my day is getting to talk to them and see them grow and be a part of that. So Webb is unbelievable. I think things have been a little bit different because we're in the middle of this coronavirus outbreak, and so the way that science is being done in my lab is different than it was before. But Webb has really come in with a very positive outlook. He works incredibly hard. He's incredibly engaged and curious about everything that we're doing. He goes above and beyond sort of what would be reasonably expected of anyone, and he does it with a smile on his face. And he's an incredible joy to work with, and I feel really fortunate to have gotten to work with him for this time.